Last night, my friend came to me with a USB problem. He said, Bro, I can copy files from the USB to my PC, but I can't copy anything from my PC to the USB. Can you fix it? I said, sure, hand it over. I'll also make a tutorial for my viewers so they can benefit too. So let's follow these steps. Step 1. Insert your USB into your PC. Make sure it's detected and shows up in File Explorer. Step 2. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Click on the Windows Start button. Type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. This ensures you have full permissions. Step 3. In the command prompt, type diskpart. This opens the diskpart utility. Next, type list disk. This will display all connected drives, including your USB. Look at the list of drives and find your USB based on its storage size. Note down the disk number. Step 4. After identifying your USB drive, we'll select it. Type. Select space disk number, replace number with your USB's disk number. For example, in my case, it's number 3. So I'll type, select space disk 3. Step 5. Remove the write protection flag. Type the command, attribute space disk space clear space read only, press enter. This will remove the write protection flag from your USB. Step 6. Close command prompt. Type exit and hit enter. Reinsert your USB to verify the finally. Open File Explorer and try copying files to the USB again. If it works, congratulations. You've successfully removed the write protection. And that's how you remove write protection from any USB drive without losing your files. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful fixes. Got any other tech issues? Drop them in the comments and I'll cover them in future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.